Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to talk about the Uxento.io. It's one of those new platforms out there which allows you to add additional functionalities into your trading experience. Okay, so Uxento upgrades your favorite DEX sites with a fresh interface and smart tools, so you can trade meme coins without the fuss, right? So basically it's an extension, right? So what it does is actually when you go into the extension, okay, you need to download the extension. It depends what type of browser you are using. I'm using Chrome. I already added on. If you haven't, you just need to go and click on add to Chrome, and that will be added on into your Chrome browser. Then you have to just make sure that it's pinged there, and there we go, you have it here. Okay, so now what you need to do, you just need to go and connect. Okay, and within the matter of seconds, okay, this been now connected, right? So we can start using the Uxento. Okay, so you can go and click you open Uxento. Once you open the Uxento, okay, here is the interface. Okay, you got a number of trackers which will be available for you. Okay, they're quite handy. Okay, and I do highly encourage you to go and check those trackers from time to time. Okay, you got a CA tracker, you got streamflow logs, a truth tracker, and also crypto Twitter tracker. Okay, and when you go there, okay, they are all being connected now. So what they doing, right? They going through all those platforms. All right, so and they are coming up with this the most up to date information when it comes to the crypto, basically, and specifically when we are talking about the meme coins, right? So where we can go to the settings, okay, we can go and do some additional settings here. You can tracker group filter, okay, we got a potion group here, you can which we can go and add. Okay, you can add the shog, you can add the tag, pastel alpha. Okay, we can all those groups, what we can do, we can add them into the tracker, right? And alongside with others, right? So this is something which I will leave it with you guys to decide it. Okay, you can also do some sort of filtering. Okay, so like followers range. Okay, as a minimum, let's say that you want somebody who is actually at 10,000 followers as a minimum, right? So means that those social profiles which have at least 10,000 followers, okay, will be shown to you, right? So that's really up to yourselves. I don't really care much about this. Sometimes those smaller accounts actually are giving you additional advantages, because they're coming up with very nice ideas which are become trendy, and you can obviously do something about it. Okay, guys, before we move on, I just have to mention that whatever I'm saying here, it's not any financial advice. Everything here is only for entertainment and educational purposes, right? So now we can go to the notifications settings. Okay, you could put some notifications here, right? And also we can go to Twitter settings. Okay, and Twitter settings allows you to add those Twitter accounts into your tracker. Okay, look how many of those accounts are already there as a preset, right? Why are you seeing here those people like Orangey, for example? It's all I'm gonna show you later on, because this fella is actually is one of the advisors on this platform. Okay, so for whoever is following the memecoin world, okay, I mean memecoin tradings, Orangey is one of those people who actually are heavily involved in this industry. Okay, and he's basically one of the creators, maybe if not creators, one of the advisors. Okay, to the team, right? So what you can do, you can go and select all, and save the accounts. They are pre-selected anyway, okay? And after a while, okay, the trackers are actually scraping the social media here, and based on those accounts which they previously showed you, which they are being tracked, okay, they are giving you information, okay? That's what's happening here right now when it comes to basically in Mimco world, right? So that's how it works, right? That is a Uxento vision. Okay, when we go back to the homepage, okay, the other things which you can go and expect from this Uxento IO platform is you can do enhanced trading UI. Okay, so cleaner, more intuitive interface for you to go DEX sites, making meme coins trading effortlessly for every DGen, keyboards, shortcuts, bundle checks, Twitter US checks, domain A checks, GitHub AI Analyzer, built-in PNL overlay, alpha group data, quick Twitter search. So, okay, that's all what's visible here, right? So for the moment, only Axiom Pro is supported. Okay, they are working on additional platforms to be integrated inside this inside the Uxento. Okay, so this extension will work with other platforms as well in the coming time. For the moment, Axiom Pro is only available, but look, most of the people are doing this on Axiom Pro, doing this type of training activities when it comes to the MEMECOINS on Axiom Pro anyway. Okay, so Axiom Pro is quite, it's very popular those days, basically. So there's no, for most of the people, there's no need of having any other platforms. But look, they are coming out with something. Right, so now if you got this extension right away, you can see if for any one of you guys who is using the the Axiom, you already know that it looks a little bit different. Okay, because you got your PNL. Okay, and you can go and adjust that your own way. Like, for example, you want to, let's say that you got a 5 soul here, and I want to make the 7th soul. So you put the balance as 7, and that will gives you how less you are for the day. So you have to make, like, for example, 2 additional souls. Okay, so it gives you some sort of additional advantage, by tracking it, at every time. Okay, that's right, quite interesting, because can see and you can track your progress on every stage of your trading activities throughout the day. The other thing is you can go to hourly volume. That's something which will be visible here for you. Hourly meta. Okay, that's also something which will be visible here for you guys. That's it gives you some additional information. And also when we go here, okay, when we on the Axiom Pro, okay, the extension automatically is saying that, and it's checking. You can go and bottle check. You can go and check the DEX status. So for example, if we go to this coin, okay, any sort of coins, right? So this is the coin, and we want to do some additional checks on it. Okay, so we can go and click on bundle check, and here's the information. Okay, it's provided to us, right? So that's one of those things which this extension is giving us. DEX status has also been checked here. Okay, DEX is paid. Okay, it's giving that as this information. And here, when we go into the Axiom Pro, we can also see that the DEX is paid. Axiom Pro obviously is giving you some of those informations already, like bundlers and DEX paid, but that's something some of you guys like to use it as a basically on the as an extension. That's quite handy to have. What else can you do with it? Okay, you can go and check history on the Twitter. Okay, so with the checking the Twitter account, basically what they do, past username identified a year ago. Okay, so that's something which obviously the Axiom Pro is giving you the information if this user was changing the name of the X platform. Okay, and here go on Uxento, you also go and you can check that. Okay, if there is a website linked with this, you can go also and check the age of the website. So let's say that somebody is creating MEMECOIN and created a website 2 days ago. Okay, it's less legitimate. Okay, doesn't mean that it's completely wrong, but it is completely it's definitely less legitimate than somebody who is actually using the URL which was created like 1.5, 2 years ago. It's something which gives you additional advantage of doing those type of researches, right? Also, the other thing is which Uxento is giving you, okay, those groups, right? So you can see, for example, if this particular coin was introduced to some of those groups, right? So, and that's quite cool because this one was introduced to Potion, to Shocked, to DigiWord, and also into the Pastel Alpha. Okay, that's quite cool because what you can do, you can see that some of the people who actually are trading this coin are also being introduced to this coin, on those groups, and those groups are, as most of you guys know, they are paid groups. Okay, and once you have an access to it, okay, you additionally have some additional advantage, when you have it to access to some of those groups, because they might give you some additional informations, that some of those coins will be popping out shortly. Okay, and then some of those guys are either they creating the group, those coins, or maybe they are part of the team, or they know something about it. It's just additional knowledge, right? So that extension is giving you additional knowledge about this, that it has been introduced to those groups, right, which is quite cool. Now, when we go back to the home page and we go and click to the docs, right, you will see all the information on how to actually download the extension, what to do about it, features. Okay, every feature has been explained here in detail. Okay, which it is quite cool. For example, here those groups have been explained, and those groups also being explained here, which is quite cool because we can see it here. It's very cool because nice. Now you know that there is some of those coins were introduced to the groups, and before you were just guessing, right? GitHub Analyzer is quite also interesting. If you have you have a contract, this contract will be analyzed by the Uxento IO, okay, and it's giving you a score. Text screen banner also interesting, okay, because it gives you information if the tax was paid or was not. URL, okay, this part of the documentation will explain what URL is when it's been used as an extension. URL is a volume and meta monitor by Uxento, which can be easily accessed at the bottom of your trading platform footer, okay, and all those informations are provided to you guys. You can go and check them out yourself, right? And also, when we go to the team, again, I want to mention that there's like a team. Those people are on the team, and Orange is an advisor, Twizy is a co-founder, and Notrix is also a co-founder. Those people are quite now in the meme coin trading, world, right? So guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. I found this one just recently. I found this interesting. Oh, by the way, you can go and join the Twitter, Discord, and X also. So I found it interesting. I thought, okay, I might give you some sort of breakdown on what it does, how it looks. Okay, some of you guys might find it interesting and want to go and test it yourself. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. Any questions, leave it down below. And thank you very, very much for watching.